So, what is the point of assessment? Because in a large sense, it doesn't actually make any sense at all. Assessment is really, really poor at judging procedural skills. So there's a large part of what people need to know for life that is simply missed out through tests. It quite often is age related in expectation, which again makes no sense. People develop at their own time scales depending on what's going on in their life. It has to be more holistic than that, and it creates this sense of competition that really favours a kind of elitist Enlightenment education. So is there any point at all? Well, yes, there's one point to it, which is that it has to be in there right at the start with a learner so that we can baseline where they are, because meeting a learner where they are is really important. And from that point on, the only thing assessment is good for is actually looking at that learner's progress from where they are now to where they've got to. You're judging them against themselves. That's the only measure that makes any sense. Any other kind of assessment is completely redundant.